Good morning. Our next practice is pranayama practice or breath work. We're going to use our breath as a tool to connect with the divine. Please bring your palms together. Move to the edge of your chair. Spread your feet about hip width apart and connect your feet with the floor. Elongate through your spine and just simply close your eyes right now. Drop your shoulders down, lift your heart, start listening to your breath, going in and out of your nose. And on your next inhale, please elongate your breath. Inhale in your lower abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold it, please. Keep your heart lifted, drop your shoulders down. Start slowly to exhale from your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Keep your navel in and up, holding your exhalation. When you're ready to inhale, again, long, deep inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, upper lungs, lifting and expanding yourself. Hold it. And when you're ready to let go, exhale, release, let go, everything out, empty yourself. Keep your long, deep breath going. Lift your hands towards your forehead, and with the tips of your thumbs, gently press on the base of your eyebrows. Find the pressure points there. Roll your eyes in and up towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Keeping your connection with your third eye center. Keep your long, deep breath going. On your inhalation, lifting and expanding yourself. And on your exhalation, releasing, letting go, emptying yourself, opening the door for the divine energy to come in. Inhale. And exhale out of your nose. Please keep your facial muscles relaxed. Your shoulders drop down. Palms connected. Your feet connected to the floor. Pelvic grounded. Elongating through your spine even more when you inhale. Keeping elongation of your spine, lift of your heart when you exhale. With every inhalation, lifting and expanding yourself. With every exhalation, releasing, letting go, emptying yourself, and expanding yourself even more with this emptiness. Making yourself available, open. Keeping your eyes closed, keep your long, deep breath going. Slowly release your arms down. Place the top of your hands on your laps, palms up. Join your index and thumbs together in a Gyan Mudra, connecting with your inner knowledge. On your inhale, keep expanding yourself. And on your exhale, keep emptying yourself and expanding even more with this emptiness. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep, conscious breath. You may silently chant, inhale I, and exhale M. Connecting with your true self. Keeping your optical focus towards your third eye center. Connecting with your intuitive mind. Keeping your heart open. Facial muscles relaxed. Heart lifted. Shoulders down, long spine. Long spine available for the divine energy. One more long deep breath. Inhale silently chanting I. Exhale M. Release your mudra. Place your hands on your knees. And inhale, send your heart forward, leaning forward, opening your chest, opening your heart. And exhale, collapse your chest. Pull your navel in, engage your buttocks, guide your tailbone under, stretch your spine in a C-shaped curve. Inhale, opening your chest, sending your heart forward, lean forward. And exhale, lean back, stretching your spine opposite direction. Keep going, please. Follow your own breath tempo. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. You may still chant inhale I, exhale M. Just simply follow your breath, warming up your spinal column, balancing your nervous system. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting your abdominal. Oxygenating every internal organ. Warming up your digestive system. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale and inhale, come back in the center. Ground your pelvic down, elongate through your spine, drop your shoulders down, chin slightly in. And if your eyes closed, slowly open your eyes. Soft gaze forward, only eyes up, down, 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 last time down. Soft gaze forward, please. Only eyes, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, last time left. Soft gaze forward, spine tall, bring your chin slightly in, elongate through your neck even more. Only eyes, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. One more time. And circle, please. Stretching your eye muscles. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Only eyes left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. One more time. Circle, please. Last time. Inhale, soft gaze forward, lift, expand. Exhale, drop your arms down, rotate your palms out. Inhale, reach up, connect your palms together, gaze up. Exhale, bring it to your heart, close your eyes. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Inhale, turn your head to your left, and exhale, right. Keep going. Inhale to your left, and exhale to your right. Using your upper chest breathing, keeping your low abdominal and low back engaged. Please follow your breath. Just simply follow your breath and keep your heart lifted. With every turn of your head, elongate your spine even more, reaching with your crown even higher up. One more breath, please. One more time. Inhale, center. Exhale, keeping your heart lifted. Drop your head to your heart. Through your nose, please. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Through your mouth. Exhale everything out. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, please start rotating your head over your right shoulder, up, exhale, left, and down. Keep going. Follow your breath, releasing tension and stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, opening your spinal column. One more breath, one more head roll, finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted, please long deep inhale through your nose, through your mouth. through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, reverse direction with your head, please. Follow your breath. One more breath. One more head roll, please. Finishing once more with your head to your heart. Heart lifted, long deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go, everything out. On your inhale, slowly unroll your head. Exhale, drop your arms. Inhale, turn your palms out. Spread your fingers wide. This time, reach up, connect your palms, keep your fingers wide. And exhale, join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Our next practice is Kriya Yoga practice. Please welcome on your mat. Soften your knees and just simply inhale, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, open your palms out, reach with your arms up, opening yourself, lift, reach, connect your palms, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, soft knees, exhale, exhale, bow all the way down, drop your head. Inhale, unroll up right weight, engage your buttocks, your shoulders, your neck, your head, lift your arms. Connect your palms, stretch yourself, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, opening yourself, lift, reach, connect, and let's go ahead, bow down. Inhale, slowly unroll, shoulders, neck, and head. Open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Last time, inhale, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bow down, stay down this time. Keep your knees soft. Wave yes and no with your head. Make sure your neck relaxed. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Inhale in the center. Exhale, press your left foot down. Send energy up your left leg. Press your left hip back and slowly twist your torso to your right. Exposing, stretching, and opening left side of your body. Long, deep breath. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center, both knees soft. Exhale, press your right foot down. Send energy up your leg, extend through your leg. Press your right hip back. And now twist and open to your left. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale back in the center. Exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal, slowly unroll up. Please remember to guide your tailbone down. Your shoulders, chest comes above your pelvic, your neck and your head comes above your chest. Inhale, reach, lift, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart, close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious breath. Bring your weight evenly between your right and left foot, between front and back of your feet. Bring yourself in the present moment. Please keep your palms pressed with about 10 pounds pressure, centering yourself, strengthening yourself. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center, connecting with yourself. Long, deep inhale. And long, deep, conscious exhale. Drop your arms. Inhale, reach up, opening yourself and expanding your electromagnetic field even more. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, stretch your arms out. And exhale, drop your shoulders down. Inhale, point your fingers up. Exhale, down. Keep going. In, out. In, out. Start speeding up your breath, please. Breathing in and out of your nose. Simply follow your breath. Inhale, lifting your fingers up, and exhale, pointing them down. One more time, and reach with your arms actively out. Stretch yourself. Turn your palms out and go ahead. Wrists 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows, please. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full circle. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, change cross of your arms. Keep going. Follow your breath. One more time. And then we're going to reverse. Take your arms down, cross, lift up, and open. Just simply follow your breath. Make sure you're truly reaching with your arms, elongating them even more. One more time. Finishing with your arms reaching out, elbows 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrists 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your palms up, spread your fingers, engage your shoulder blades, lifting your heart up. Gaze up, inhale, stretch. And exhale, fold your thumbs in, cover your thumbs, surrender. Again, inhale. And exhale. One more time. Exhale. And this time, inhale, open yourself. Reach, lift your arms, fingers wide. And exhale, join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Focus towards your third eye center. Uplifting your energy towards your heart, towards your third eye center, towards your crown. Connecting with your higher self. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, drop your arms, shake them, and just shoulders. Inhale up, exhale down, in and out. Keep going. Again, powerful breath in and out of your nose. And simply follow your breath. Inhale, shoulders up, exhale, drop them down. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck and your shoulders, in your upper back area. Dropping, releasing everything off your shoulders. Four, three, two, and one. Drop your shoulders down. Heavy arms, close your eyes. Keep connection with your breath. Enjoy sensation right now in your body. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, turn your palms out. Lift your heart. Open yourself. Lift your arms up. Reach. Stretch yourself opposite direction. Hold it. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, open your arms out. Palms forward. Fold your forefingers in. Inhale, reach with your arms. And exhale, bend your elbows. Point your thumbs down. Inhale. Exhale, keep going, in, X, just simply follow your breath. Breathe in, inhale, and exhale out of your nose. Hear your breath, facial muscles relaxed. One more time. Stretch your arms up, spread your fingers wide, inhale. Hold your breath, stretch yourself. And exhale, slowly take your arms down. Roll your shoulders back a couple of times. And forward. Roll your shoulders back. Open your palms out. Inhale, reach with your arms, and this time bring your arms parallel, shoulder width apart. Drop your shoulders down. Turn your palms face forward. Join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach, and exhale. Pull your elbows down. Squeeze your rib cage. Inhale and exhale. Keep going, in, out. Just simply follow your breath. Inhale, stretching, lifting yourself even higher, and exhale, just simply and gently squeeze your rib cage with your upper arms, with your elbows, and please lift your heart even higher up on the end of your exhalation. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Give yourself a nice, gentle hug. Keep your heart lifted. Inhale and exhale. Lift your right knee up. Inhale down. Exhale left. Inhale down. Right. Down and left. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. Engage in your abdominal. When your knee comes up and you exhale, focus on your standing leg. Strong, balanced, confident on your one standing leg. Engaging your buttock, maybe even pulling your kneecap up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing in and out of your nose. One more time for each leg, please. And this time, inhale, reach up, lift your right knee up. Exhale, take it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going, in, out. Follow your breath. Focus on your knee, lift it high. Just simply inhale up, exhale down. One more time for each leg. Inhale, stretch your arms up, spread your fingers, hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale, hold your breath, contract your rectum, your internal organs, pull your navel in, chin slightly in. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, take your arms down. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, place your hands on your abdominal. Inhale, expand your abdominal. And exhale, contract. Keep breathing. Inhale, expanding your abdominal, and exhale, contracting. On your inhalation, oxygenating every internal organ. And on your exhalation, sending, forcing stale energy, stale air out. Releasing all the toxins out of your organs. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Soften your knees. Keep your feet apart, hands on your knees or on your thighs. Just make sure your neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Long, deep inhale, expanding your abdominal. Long, deep conscious exhale, contracting your abdominal muscles. Pull it in. Again, inhale. Exhale. And inhale to begin our breath of fire with mouth open, tongue out. Breathing in and out of your mouth right now. Please start slow, and then depends how you feel, you can speed up your breath. Your tongue is sticking out right now. Pumping your navel in and out. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Again, inhale through your nose. Little break, exhale. And we're going to inhale to begin our second set. Tongue is out and start punting. Focusing on your navel center, in and out, in and out. Detoxifying yourself, energizing yourself. Inhale long and deep through your nose. Exhale everything out, pull your navel in. Again, inhale. Exhale. And long deep inhale. We're going to start our third set. Exhale, pull your navel in, hold your exhalation, and start pumping your navel in and out while you're holding your exhalation. Inhale. Exhale everything out. Pull your navel in. Hold your breath in and out. One more time, long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Start pumping your navel. Long deep inhale. And just drop your arms, relax your neck without going too deep down. Just simply where you are, just relax. And then on your next inhale, start slowly, slowly to unroll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your neck, your head above your chest. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart, close your eyes. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep, conscious exhale. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Separate your feet mat width apart or maybe even wider. Maybe step outside of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms out, lift your heart. Exhale, send your heart forward. Bow down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, twist to your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. Twisting from side to side. Focusing on the arm that is reaching up. Sending energy up your arm and reaching high. Opening your chest to the side. Keep breathing. Follow your breath, facial muscles relaxed. Start focusing on your other arm, the arm that is reaching down. Maybe touching your mat with the tips of your fingers, or maybe simply placing your palm down on the floor. One more time for each side. Inhale, center, stretch your arms out first, and then exhale, drop your arms down, drop your head. Relax your neck, relax your head, your shoulders. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soft knees, navel in, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down. Bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect. Stretch yourself opposite directions. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Close your eyes. One more breath. Inhale, open your eyes and go ahead, walk your feet towards each other. Shake your arms, maybe kick your legs a few times, just shake your body. And please step forward with your right leg, back with your left. Make nice, big, stable opening of your legs. Strong and powerful opening. Go ahead, bend your right knee, bring your right knee above your right ankle. Place your left hip, a hand on your left hip, and then you inhale, guide your left hip direction of your right leg. Chest, pelvic facing same direction. And go ahead, exhale, open. Engage your left buttock. Again, inhale forward and exhale, open. Keeping your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. And this time when you open, stay open, please, keeping your chest open, keeping your pelvic open. Strong left leg, maybe even pull up your left kneecap. And inhale, lift your weight above your pelvic. Exhale, maybe ground your pelvic little bit deeper down. Inhale, extend your arms out, reaching opposite direction. Exhale, palms forward. Fold your forefingers in with your thumbs facing up. Inhale, elongate again. Exhale, bend your left elbow, turn your head. Bring your gaze towards your right thumb, gazing through your nail. Soften your gaze and then focus at the same time. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. And long, deep inhale to begin the breath of fire. Breathing in and out of your nose, pumping your navel in and out. Strong, powerful breath, energizing and detoxifying. You can go as fast or as slow as it feels right. If you feel discomfort, please switch to the long, deep breath. Also, if you have high blood pressure, or if you're pregnant, or you have your period, please stay with the long, deep breath. Inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Hold your inhalation. Exhale. Again, long, deep inhale. Contract your rectum, internal organs, navel and chin slightly in. Contract, lift, pull your life force energy. Exhale. One more breath. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, release. Extend your arms out, bring your feet parallel, reach out, lift. And exhale, slowly bow down. Keep your eyes open. Neck relaxed, abdominal relaxed. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soft knees. Abdominal active to support your low back. Slowly unroll up. Chest above your pelvic, head above your chest. Change sides. Please turn your left toe out, so your left foot toes out, your left foot facing back. Bring your right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee slightly with your right hand on your right hip bone. On your inhalation, guide your right hip towards your left leg. Chest, pelvic facing direction of your left leg. And exhale, open. Keep going. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale, open, stay open, please. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, take your pelvic even deeper down. Inhale, extend your arms. Exhale, turn your palms out, fold your fingers in. Inhale, stretch your arms even further, opposite directions. Exhale, bend your right elbow, turn your head, gaze towards your thumb. Through your nail, long deep inhale, gazing through your nail, soft, focused gaze. Long deep breath, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Long deep breath. Inhale to begin. Breath of fire, please. Breathing in and out of your nose. Pumping your navel in and out. Long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. Again, long deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale, extend your arms out, pivot on your feet, bring your feet parallel. Inhale, reach. Exhale, send your heart forward and bow down. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your neck, relax your abdominal, your shoulders. Long, deep breath. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. One more breath. Inhale in the center, exhale, walk towards your right leg. With your right hand, hold your ankle and gently pull yourself towards your right leg. Keep breathing. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly come back in the center and exhale, change sides. Walk towards your left leg, hold your ankle with your left hand. Inhale and exhale, gently pull towards your left leg. One more breath. On your next inhale, slowly walk back. In the center, exhale, soft knees. On inhale, slowly unroll up. Guide your tailbone down, your shoulders up, your neck and your head. Inhale, sweep your arms up, opening yourself, lift, reach, connect your palms. Exhale, bring it to your heart, close your eyes. Inhale, open your eyes, walk your feet together, bring them together. Take your time again to adjust. Bring your weight evenly between your right and left. Maybe bring your feet closer together so your big toes touching. Gently squeezing your legs, centering yourself. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, sweep your arms up, opening, lifting, reaching, connect your palms, stretch yourself, hold your breath. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Shake your arms and please lie down on the floor. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Place your arms beside of you. Actively reaching down with your arms, keeping your palms down, your shoulders down, your triceps pressed down also. Chin slightly in, elongate through your neck. And on your inhale, expand your abdominal, arch your back, lift your low back off the floor. Exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down. Keep going. Inhale and exhale. Keep going. Inhale, arch, and exhale, contract. Just simply follow your breath a few more times. Facial muscles relaxed. One more breath, please. Inhale, expand your abdominal, arch your low back. And exhale, pull your navel in, press your low back down. Check with your neck elongated. Crown reaching up, tailbone down, buttocks active. Inhale, sweep your arms up and over your head. Stretch your arms. Keep stretching, keep reaching, keep breathing. One more breath. Exhale, clasp your hands together, interlace your fingers, lift your head up, place your hands behind your head to support it. Inhale, exhale, using only abdominal muscles, slowly curl up. Inhale, down, and exhale, up. Inhale, and exhale, keep going. One more time. Exhale, curl up, stay up, please. Inhale, exhale, lift your right knee up. Inhale, exhale, lift your left. Join your legs together. Now check your head is resting in your hands, shoulders down, chin slightly in. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg. Inhale, exhale, extend your leg. Left leg, rotate your toes slightly out, heels together. And inhale, take your legs slightly down. Exhale, lift them up. Again, inhale, down, engaging your buttocks when your legs go down. And please go only as low as your low back able to stay down on the floor. Follow your breath. 4 more times, please. 4, 3, 2, and last time. Lift your legs, stretch them up, bend your knees. Inhale and roll down. Keep your elbows out, legs together, circles with your knees, rolling on your low back. Keep breathing. One more time. And then reverse, please, other side. One more time. Come back in the center. Inhale, exhale, curl up towards your legs. Inhale and exhale, extend your legs. Hold it. Inhale, exhale, pull your knees up. Inhale, exhale, navel in. Inhale, extend your legs again. Can take your legs as low as your low back is still connected to the floor. Inhale, exhale, bring your knees in. One more set. Inhale. Reach with your legs, keep your buttocks active, low back connected to the floor. Inhale, exhale, pull your knees, unroll down, release your feet down on the floor, release your arms, place your arms beside of you, palms up, open your knees out, join soles of your feet together, close your eyes. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, lift your right leg up and place your right leg on the top of your left, twisting your legs to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Gently roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale. Next inhale, lift your heart, maybe arching your back even more. And exhale, lift your right leg up, open your knees out again. Come back in the center with your long spine, long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Inhale, elongate, exhale, abdominal engaged, lift your left leg, placing your left knee on the top of your right, twist your legs to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Roll your head towards your left shoulder. On your next inhale, lift your heart even more, engaging your shoulder blades, arching your back. Exhale, engaging your abdominal, roll back in the center. One breath in the center. Inhale, lift your left knee up, roll on your right side completely. Using your right upper arm as a pillow, stay on your right side. One long, deep, conscious breath. If you have sweatshirts, blankets, or socks to put on during your savasana practice or relaxation practice, please take time, get what you need, and come back on your mat for the final part of your practice, for your savasana or conscious relaxation practice. Please lie down on your back. Take your time to making sure your spine elongated, your chin slightly in. If you have blankets, cover yourself. Separate your legs apart and allow your toes to drop out. Bring your arms beside of you, turning your palms face up to receive. On your inhale, point your toes down, squeezing your feet. Contract your ankles, tension your calves, your knees, front and back of your legs, your buttocks. Tension your low body as much as you can right now. Keep tension in your legs and your buttocks. Start tensioning your abdominal muscles, your back. Lift your shoulders up, squeezing your shoulders, squeeze fists, tension your arms, squeeze your face. Just squeeze whole your body, hold it, hold this tension, tension even more. Release your face first. Drop your shoulders down, release your arms, your abdominal, your back, your glutes, your hamstrings, your quads, your calves. Release your feet and toes. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. Inhale, lift your shoulders up, and exhale, drop them down, allowing your shoulders to go deep down away from your ears. Inhale, turn your head to the left. Exhale to your right. Inhale, center, and exhale, bring your chin slightly in. Elongate through your spine. Long, deep inhale in your lower abdominal, your lower lungs, your upper lungs. Hold it. And exhale slowly, consciously, everything out. Allow your body soften. Allow your body to release, to let go, let God. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Allow your body to heal itself. Wiggle your fingers. Rotate your wrists and ankles, please. Reverse direction. On your next inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up over your head, point your toes, reaching opposite direction. Keep reaching, keep stretching, keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down. One knee at a time. Bring both knees up. Pull them in towards your chest. Rock from side to side. One more time. Come in the center. Long, deep inhale in the center. Exhale, open your arms in a T shape. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, take your knees to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, engage your abdominal. Lift your knees. Roll on your low back. Take your legs to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long, deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your legs. Roll on your low back and roll on your right side completely, please. Bring your left arm with you. Rest your head on your right upper arms. Close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious breath. Allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during your practice this morning settle in your body. Connect with this energy. On your next inhale, very gently, please, press yourself up in the cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Bring your chest above your pelvic, head above your chest. Rest your arms on your knees, palms up. Join your index and thumbs together. We're going to finish our practice this morning with the 3 gratitude breaths. Gratitude to yourself for being here this morning. Please, eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Long, deep inhale through your nose. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Through your nose, inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale. One more breath, please. Through your nose, inhale, silently chanting I. Through your mouth, exhale, Through your mouth, inhale, chanting I. And through your nose, exhale, chanting Inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up, gaze up, connect your palms. Exhale, twist and open to your right. Inhale, lift your heart up, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow down with your head. Back in the center. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, gaze up. Exhale to your left. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bow. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect your palms, gaze up, keep reaching. Inhale, open your eyes wide, spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze, join your fingers together, bring your hands to your heart, bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pearl light within you guide your way on. Thank you so much for practicing. Namaste.